I'm from a small town called Greenock. It's down the Clyde from Glasgow, just where the Clyde meets the Atlantic. There's a real history in Glasgow of innovation and of collaboration between different inventors that I feel part of being in Glasgow and now being at CPI, being able to help invent the future industries. I'm Martin Keane. I'm the Digital Innovation Manager at the Medicines Manufacturing Innovation Centre here in Glasgow. My role is to transform any digital innovations in the market and to try and industrialise them. So anything to do with improving quality or reducing costs through using digital technologies. My background is as a product design engineer, so I studied a mix of courses in design and engineering. That then gave me the knowledge and the skills to be able to then adapt that to doing digital technologies for medicines manufacturing. I've been working at CPI for the past 2 years, and I've been working mostly on the PACE project, which is our Grand Challenge 2, which is an automated clinical supply system to provide medicines for clinical trials. It's really impactful work we do here, and it's important not just for the pharmaceutical industry. We're trying to create medicines which are safer for patients, but also delivered at a lower cost so that we can reach many more patients around the world. Being part of a cluster of innovation, so having another one of the high-value manufacturing centres on the same site as us means that we can really commercialise and industrialise new technologies and create lots more jobs for the area. Outside of work, I invent products. I've got a little startup making folded flower pots and vases. I care quite a lot about the environment, and so whenever I'm trying to get out to work at CPI, I cycle, which involves a commute across the Clyde on a little ferry. So not quite your typical commute, but it's quite an enjoyable way to get to work. CPI is probably the most diverse place that I've worked, and so it's great that we welcome people with all different backgrounds and perspectives. Recently we were doing a lot of work on neurodiversity and understanding that, not just visible diversity, but also in the different ways people think and approach problems. So it's good to have a company with such strong values around these. People always think of engineering and scientists as being very narrowly focused and only able to come up with one very specific solution to a problem. What I've found is that scientists and engineers are probably the most creative people you can find in the world. Their ability to solve problems and to find the designed solution to something is really the crux of pushing the world forward.